How to sign in to UltiPro employee portal. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch any of your preferred web application, and at the top search bar, you have to type in sign in to UltiPro employee portal. As you do so, you will see ultimate software that says please log in. Let's go ahead and click onto that link. Once done, you will get landed onto a page like this. Now, in order to get logged into your UltiPro account, you have to type in your username or your email address. Once done, type in your password at the password box below. Make sure that you are entering all your credentials correctly, then click on Login. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password and get help resetting your account. And in case you are using this for the first time, you can again sign up for this. Just like so, if your credentials are correct, you will get logged into your UltiPro employee account. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.